Alan, we've had results out today from UK car insurer Admiral Insurance, and their shares are up about 5% when we last looked. Can you tell me what was in the results?
Well, the news that they put out was good in that it wasn't bad. Their peers, like insurer and Direct Line here, in the last week or two have sort of hinted that cost inflation is going up on claims, and they, that they have some concerns about the auto insurance market. There were fears that maybe Admiral would say something similar. In fact, they didn't. They were a little bit more positive.
Okay, so they reported slightly better results than what was expected.
I think so.
Is that?
Yeah, I think what they did say, what they were able to show is like one key measure that the analysts look at is on insurance is the combined ratio.
Which
and
is?
The combined ratio gives us an indication of claim losses and costs, expenses relative to the auto premium insurance that's been brought in. Ideally, you want that number to be less than 100%, okay, so you're making a profit,
Fair
right? Theirs is extremely low now. It's 73%. I think this is the lowest it's ever been. It's very, very low. It's partly flattered by the fact that they were able to release some loss reserves from previous years, which flattered things, that kind of effectively brought down expenses. But the point is, they are way ahead of their competition in that sense. So I think that gave the market the sense that maybe things aren't so bad if they're releasing loss reserves.
Okay, so slightly flattered by sort of a one-off release,
yeah,
but still looking better overall. How are they looking longer term?
I think longer term is a big question. The UK auto market, when they started, was probably a bit of a, frankly, a tough market, a dingy market, and they have a different business model. It's a capital light model. They reinsure and push a lot of the risk off to reinsurers. They have very little capital at risk. They found other ways of raising income. They have other fees that they charge people, little small fees, but they add up and they add to margin, and they're significant. This is about 39% of the UK auto premium. So, it's a lot, but where do they go from here? They are delivering now a 6% dividend yield, suggesting that maybe the company is ex-growth, and that's been, I think, the fear of analysts for a little while. So I think the price rise today and the share price rise maybe is a hint of maybe people were too bearish.
Okay, thanks very much.